If you have tried all cleaning operations and ink extraction procedures but still cannot solve the print head's clogging, then you need to replace the print head. Remove the clip securing the print head. Unscrew the 3 screws fixing the print head. Take out the print head. Disconnect the print head's ribbon cable. Note to check if the ribbon cable has any ink contamination, and do not disconnect the encoder strip's ribbon cable. After installing the new print head, secure it with the screws and clips. Power on the machine and observe its self-check process. If the self-check passes and nozzle check page is good, the print head replacement is successfully completed.